Hello, Doc Bryce here. Andito po tayo sa Bukidnon. Wow! Literal, grass-fed na mga baka. So, importansya ng grass-fed, yung meat. Nutritious, nutrient-dense, okay? Beef will builds muscle. It will fills you up, hindi ka magugutom. It's protein-rich, gives you iron, gives you B vitamins. Kaya yung sa mga hindi kumakain ng mga beef, kailangan kumain na ng beef. B, vitamin B po lang yan. Boost your energy, strengthen bones, sharpens your mind, and helps fight fatigue. So, if you want to improve your health, it's non-inflammatory, eat meat, grass-fed. Be the best version of yourself, adapt and evolve. Bye!